microanalysis covers many fields, and we know today the volume of analysis, the high lateral resolution is a key point for many techniques. It's true for geophysics and geochemistry and geo application, but it's true for biology, it's true for semiconductors, and it's always a challenge between the volume you will analyze and what you are looking. Are you looking for detection limit? Are you looking for precisions? And always it's a challenge between what volume I will be able to analyze for what is the purpose. And it's, as a manufacturing of scientific equipment, we are pushed by our user and the science to push the limit of the technique. So I will present very rapidly, Kameka, what proposal we can give to the scientists who are looking for applications. Okay, so Kameka belongs to a big group now, which is Ametek. So Ametek is a US-based company, and is divided in many subsidiaries. And Kameka is among one. So we are in the small division which is called Material Analysis Division. So we are in the instrument groups, and we share this group with many companies. So there is Kameka, EDAX, Spectro, Vision, Amtech, and recently we have this AMT, Advanced Measurement Technology, which covers Ortec and this type of companies. Okay. So Kameka it's a relatively old company, so we are already 86 years existence. And we are in the field of microanalysis only since the late 50s. And Kameka has been pioneers in many techniques, but of course it has been a close link with research and scientists who made the research and brought this research to a company. So Kameka was pioneer in EPMA. So in 1955, we worked with Professor Castin, who built the 2 prototypes of his EPMA, and 1 was given to Kameka. We have developed in material science, geoscience, and many other applications before we were able to come in biology. And more recently, we have been pioneers in atom probe technology, which is the ultimate instrument for me in physics, because you are analyzing atoms one by one. So this technology has been brought. So we work with the GPM of Rouen University, but at the same time there was 2 other groups. There was Oxford Nanoscience in England and a group in the United States. And because it was a brand new technique, so the 3 companies has merged together and under the flagship of Kameka. Okay. So, as I told you, depending on what you want to do, are you interested by the small volume, or are you interested by the detection limit, or are you interested by the high lateral resolution? You cannot have all in a single instrument. So because of that, we were obliged to develop many instruments. So we have EPMA, we have SIMS, and we have atom probe. For instance, in SIMS, if you are looking for high lateral resolution, very small volume, we have the NanoSIMS 50L. In some application in geoscience. If you are looking for geochronology, stable isotope with very high precision, trace elements, we have developed the large geometry SIMS, the IMS1280HR. If you are looking for ultra shallow, very high depth resolution, so typically what the semiconductor people are looking for this type of applications, they are looking for 1 nanometer depth resolution. We have developed a specific equipment which is IMSWF SC Ultra. So depending on what is your key application, what you really want to do, you have to choose the best equipment. You should understand that one equipment will never solve all the problems. So that's a very difficult point. And even when you have one technique, in one technique, all the analytical parameters will depend on what I want to do from my samples, what I want to do, what is my key problem. Okay, so of course, as I said, the technique covers all type of fields. We go from Earth, planetary science, materials, nuclear science, metallurgy, thin films. I think all the technique covers all the field of applications, and it depends really what you want to do. And the information you will have, especially with SIMS, I will present today, you have the information from 1D, 2D, and 3D today. So 1D, you have you follow one element. 2D, you follow one element over a surface, and 3D, you follow one element over a total volume. And the technology today can give you all this information. But of course, it will depend what you want to do with this information. So Cameca has two main facilities, one in Paris, in Gennevilliers, where we produce most of the tools, and another one in USA, in Madison. But of course, we have a large subsidiary, so we have sales and service teams in Japan, South Korea, Taiwan. We have one in India, in Germany, because the key point also is when you deliver sophisticated high-end instrument, you need local service. You need very good condition. You need very good lab. If you don't have good lab, if you don't have a good team and a good support, you will invest money, but you will never get out of these tools without a strong support locally and also from the company. And I think I will finish this because I will finish here. I will have a presentation on the large geometry SIMS, mostly dedicated to geoscience, and I will show you when you need a small spot, when you need bigger spot, depending if you need sensitivity or if you need high lateral resolution, depending on the problem. I will try to cover all this type of application. Thank you.